Hi guys, welcome to my dorm room. My name is Bianca Canales. This is a hair tutorial on two 90s hair looks. So this one, I think it's super cute and 90s are back and stronger than ever. It's this half up, half down swoop kind of I'm from Friends kind of look. Bella Hadid inspired, but Aaliyah did it first. Gotta give her credit. And then the one with like two bobby pins on the side. Yeah, so please keep watching. Let's get started. My hair is straight and probably 2 to 3 days old, so it could use some dry shampoo. I'm gonna use some of this Verb Gentle Cleanse Style Extender dry shampoo. It's in the color brown. I'm just gonna spray this throughout my roots. Okay, so to get the first hairstyle, I think it's always important to have clean, fresh looking hair. Like always, nobody likes greasy hair. I bought these really cute clips. I bought these like gold flippy clips is what I call them. I think we all used to use these as 90s babies. I also just got these like silver and gold bobby pins. If you have black works just fine. This hairstyle is really easy. The key is to brush your hair really flat and angle your head down as you brush it. See, I have these nice little Friends layers going on. I used to do it not as high as you think, but kind of this way. So where your eyebrow arcs is where you start to put the clip. And you can stick to 2, but I think 4 really drives it home. And I only like to do a finger width apart. Like I said, my hair has layers in the front. So then what I would do, especially because I think this is a good hairstyle to have or to use maybe on like your second day of dirty hair, because you kind of want your hair to be a little oily for it to stay flat at the top. I think that's what adds the charm. And then I spread out through all my hands and then brush it through. You also kind of want that 2-day-old hair to make sure that it's like flat. You could even put a little bit of oil at the top if you wanted to, just to flatten down those flyaways. And yeah, if those flippy clips, I'm sure they have a name and I don't know it, are a little too much, bobby pins is also the way to go. And this is just a little more subtle. This is one of the ways to do it at home. Okay, so this next style isn't as easy as the first, but it's also my favorite. Aaliyah did it first, Bella Hadid brought it back, and I'm teaching you how to do it. We're gonna part our hair on the side, just kind of wherever you feel comfortable. I tend to do a deeper part. The first thing to do is to just kind of grab that chunk of hair in the front that feels the most natural to you to grab. For me, it's this little bit. This little bit right. And some of you might not even have layers, so even if it's a long chunk, just grab that chunk of hair in the front, like, you know, that hair that you always want to be perfect because it frames your face. Yeah, so that chunk. Separate it and clip it so it doesn't interfere with the rest of what we're doing. I'm just gonna take my index fingers and put them at the top of my ears and angle it up. We're gonna pick up the first top half of our hair. Just use any brush to generally brush it back. It's okay if the side is fully slicked back, like so. So my hair separated like this, and then I've slicked that back up to the side. Take any actual bristle brush that you might have to slick down the sides and make sure it's nice and flat. That's why I think this is a good hairstyle to do once your hair is like 2 to 3 days old, because you can use those natural hair oils to like help you slick it down. So once you think it's pretty flat, go ahead and pop it into a pony, and then go ahead and let go of this little piece. Now I think the next steps are crucial, but what I like to do is take a little bit of the Waves texturizing spray and make sure that that ponytail doesn't stay super flat. I think what makes this style cute is the fact that you can see that it's half up, half down. And it just gives it a little bit more texture. And then I really love to use, this is the Verb Ghost Dry Oil. It refreshes, conditions, and smooths. It's like hair oil, but a conditioner. Just like does the whole thing. It just refreshes your hair, makes it look really, really, really shiny. Best part is that it's $16. And I'm in college, so I can't afford Bella Hadid's hair is Shine 101. Particularly here on the sides, you could either use like an actual gel to slick down the sides if your hair's a little bit curly, but this dry oil kind of does a little bit of the shine and the cleaning at the same time. So once everything is in place, I really like how it looks. Oh, and I forgot to mention this earlier, but I prepped my hair with the Verb Leave-In Mist. I think that if your hair's soft overall, it makes every hairstyle look better. But I just feel like it's important to share because this has changed my life. So this is the final product. As you can see, my side is super flat. It's super cute. I love it. 90s are in. I love it. You can really do this hairstyle whenever. So just make sure you have a cute outfit to match because the Aaliyah vibes are real. So yeah, I hope this helps you out.